Apollo, the golden god, shines brightly in the myths of ancient Greece. His radiance is not just a physical light, but a symbol of enlightenment and knowledge that has guided humanity for centuries. He is the god of the sun, his chariot blazing across the sky each day. This daily journey represents the cycle of life, the passage of time, and the eternal nature of the cosmos. But Apollo is more than just a bringer of light. He is a multifaceted deity, embodying various aspects of human existence and divine influence. He is a god of many talents, his influence touching music, poetry, prophecy, and healing. With his lyre, he brings harmony to the world, soothing souls and inspiring creativity. Apollo embodies harmony and order, his presence bringing reason and beauty to the world. His connection with the Muses highlights his role in fostering the arts and intellectual pursuits. Through his stories, the ancient Greeks explored the nature of art, the power of fate, and the importance of balance in life. Apollo's myths often depict the struggle between chaos and order, illustrating the delicate equilibrium necessary for a harmonious existence. Apollo's myths continue to captivate us, offering timeless lessons about the human condition and the power of the divine. They remind us of the importance of pursuing knowledge, embracing creativity, and striving for balance in our lives. His legacy endures, a testament to the enduring power of myth and the timeless quest for understanding and enlightenment. Apollo's birth was fraught with difficulty, a testament to his future greatness. His mother, Leto, a Titaness, incurred the wrath of Hera, Zeus's jealous wife. Hera forbid Leto from giving birth on any land touched by the sun. Leto wandered far and wide, searching for a place of refuge. Finally, she found sanctuary on the floating island of Delos. There, beneath a palm tree, Leto gave birth to twins, Artemis, goddess of the hunt, and Apollo, god of the sun. Even as an infant, Apollo displayed extraordinary power. He demanded a bow and arrows, gifts from the god Hephaestus. Armed with his divine weapons, Apollo set out to avenge his mother's suffering. He journeyed to Delphi, where a monstrous serpent, the Python, guarded a sacred oracle. The Python, a creature of chaos, terrorized the land. Apollo confronted the beast, his arrows finding their mark. With the Python vanquished, Apollo claimed Delphi as his own. He established the Oracle of Delphi, a place where mortals could seek his wisdom. Apollo became known as the god of prophecy, his words guiding kings and heroes. Music and poetry flowed through Apollo, gifts from his father Zeus. He played the lyre, a stringed instrument with divine skill. His music could calm the savage beast, soothe the troubled soul, and inspire the hearts of men. Section 5. The Light of Prophecy. The Oracle of Delphi, presided over by Apollo's priestess, the Pythia, became the most revered in Greece. Nestled on the slopes of Mount Parnassus, the sanctuary was a beacon of divine wisdom and spiritual guidance. People from all walks of life journeyed to Delphi, seeking Apollo's guidance. From kings and generals to commoners and merchants, the pilgrimage was a testament to the oracle's far-reaching influence. The journey was often long and arduous, but the promise of divine insight made every step worthwhile. The Pythia, inhaling sacred vapors, would fall into a trance, delivering cryptic prophecies from the god. These vapors, believed to emanate from a chasm in the earth, were said to be the breath of Apollo himself. In her altered state, the Pythia's words were often enigmatic, requiring priests to interpret their true meaning. Apollo's pronouncements shaped destinies, influenced wars, and guided the course of history. Leaders would consult the oracle before making critical decisions, whether it was embarking on a military campaign or forging alliances. The oracle's influence extended beyond politics and warfare, touching upon personal lives and societal norms. His words, though often shrouded in mystery, offered glimpses into the will of the gods and the fate of humankind. The prophecies, recorded on scrolls and passed down through generations, became an integral part of Greek culture and mythology. They served as a bridge between the mortal world and the divine, reminding people of the god's omnipresence and their own place in the grand tapestry of existence. Section 6. Healer and Destroyer. Apollo's power was double-edged. He could heal as easily as he could harm. With his knowledge of herbs and medicine, Apollo cured the sick and wounded. He taught mortals the art of healing, ensuring the continuation of life. Yet Apollo could also unleash plagues and diseases, punishing those who defied the gods. He was a force to be reckoned with, his anger as fierce as the sun's rays. Section 7. The Laurel and the Lyre. Apollo's symbols reflect his diverse domains. The laurel tree, with its evergreen leaves, represented his victory over the python and his role as a bringer of peace. Laurel wreaths crowned victors in competitions of skill and intellect, symbolizing Apollo's favor. The lyre, crafted by Hermes, became Apollo's most cherished possession. Its music represented harmony, beauty, and the power of the arts. Apollo, the master musician, used his lyre to enchant, inspire, and even move the heavens. Section 8. Apollo's Loves and Losses. Apollo's heart, like the sun, blazed with passion. He loved many, both mortals and immortals. Yet his loves often ended in tragedy, reminding us of the fleeting nature of beauty and the capriciousness of fate. He loved Daphne, a nymph who spurned his advances. She prayed to be transformed, and the gods turned her into a laurel tree. Apollo, heartbroken, made the laurel his sacred tree, a symbol of his unrequited love. Section 9. A God of Many Faces. Apollo embodies the complexities of the human experience. He is both radiant and vengeful, artistic and destructive, a god of order and a harbinger of chaos. His myths reflect the duality of life, the constant interplay between light and shadow, joy and sorrow. Apollo reminds us that even gods are not perfect. They experience love and loss, anger and regret. Through their stories, we gain a deeper understanding of our own humanity. Section 10. Apollo's Enduring Light. The story of Apollo, the Greek god of the sun, music, poetry, and prophecy, is one that has transcended time and space. His presence is felt not just in the ancient ruins of temples dedicated to him, but in the very fabric of our cultural and artistic heritage. Apollo's legacy extends far beyond the realm of myth. He is a symbol of light and knowledge, a beacon guiding humanity through the ages. His influence is woven into the tapestry of human history, leaving an indelible mark on every era he has touched. His influence can be seen in art, literature, music, and even our language. From the classical sculptures that capture his divine form to the Renaissance paintings that celebrate his myth, Apollo's image has been a source of inspiration for countless artists and creators. We still speak of Apollonian beauty, referring to harmony, balance, and classical ideals. This concept has shaped our understanding of aesthetics, influencing everything from architectural design to the principles of fine art. The Apollonian ideal represents a pursuit of perfection, a quest for a harmonious existence. Apollo's story reminds us of the power of the sun, the importance of the arts, and the enduring search for knowledge and meaning in the face of life's uncertainties. His myths are not just tales of the past, but lessons for the present, teaching us about resilience, creativity, and the human spirit's unyielding quest for enlightenment. His light continues to shine, illuminating the human spirit and inspiring us to strive for excellence in all that we do. In every sunrise, in every piece of art that captures the essence of beauty and balance, Apollo's enduring light is a reminder of our potential to achieve greatness and our capacity for wonder and discovery.